Hi guys, it's Kelly. I was just making a GIF in Photoshop and I thought I would just record my screen and show you what I'm doing because it's pretty simple to do and it's really useful if you're creating graphics for emails or, blog posts. And I know there's a big debate between GIF and GIF, the pronunciation, but obviously I'm team GIF. Anyways, open up Photoshop and you want to have all your artwork ready. I have two folders, a before and an after. And I basically want my GIF to just be like this, before and after. Simple enough. And if you don't know what a GIF is, it's basically an image file that can save multiple frames in the same file, so you can get the feeling of animation. Here, let's take a little field trip to my desktop. So here's the GIF, and you can see it cycles through the before and after frame. And versus just this JPEG is one static image. You can't save different frames in a JPEG. You have to use a GIF if you want to do some sort of animation or different frames. You go to Window and you click on Timeline. You'll want to click Create Frame Animation right here. So that already automatically makes your first frame for you, and it's already all correct. I want this before picture to be my first frame. If this is not what you want your first frame to be, just set it up so that you're viewing your first frame. Then you press this button to duplicate and create a second frame. So my first frame is the before picture. My second frame, I want to be the after picture. And you can press play to preview. Obviously that's going really fast. So you can select both frames by pressing Shift and then clicking down here. And this will be your delay. You can set it to however long you want. I'm going to do 2 seconds. But if you want a faster GIF, you can do fractions of a second. If you want a longer GIF, do whatever you want. And then you want to make sure this down here is checked to forever. I mean, maybe you want to just do it once or 3 times, but typically I think people think of a GIF as like looping forever. So I always make sure that's checked off to forever. And then this step is pretty important too. You can't just save this and hope for the best. You have to go export and then save for web legacy. And mine's already selected as a GIF up here, but yours might be pre-selected to another option. Make sure that GIF is selected. So if you look at the bottom left here, it'll show you the file size. And now we're at 2.4 megabytes, which is pretty large. And if that's not great for web or email, because you want to have smaller file sizes that are faster to download. So I'm going to change this image size. You can kind of change it to whatever size you need it to be. But I'm going to do 400 pixels, and it'll make it a lot smaller in size, but it'll also make the file size smaller. We can see now it's only 200 kilobytes, which will be a lot faster to download. Once you're all done with that, you go ahead and press save, and then rename your file. Save your GIF, and then it should be good to go. Cycles every 2 seconds. So you can definitely make more advanced GIFs in Photoshop with, moving layers and stuff. If you want to see a video with a more advanced tutorial, let me know. Happy to make one, but this is just a simple, basic GIF, and you can go ahead and use your GIF on your blog posts, your emails, or wherever you need it. I hope this was helpful. If you want more tutorials, make sure to subscribe to the channel or like the video. I really appreciate it, and feel free to ask me any questions. Tell me what you want to learn, because I'm always making more videos. I'll see you next time.